let's talk about leadership. There are so many opinions on leadership out there. And I'm guessing as a leader, you just want to make your leadership journey a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. All right, so I'm not here to tell you about the myriad of leadership philosophies. The Social Excellence Project is not about climbing the ladder of leadership or lead like a shark or leverage your authority. No, none of that. I am here to remind you of one undeniable, simple, universal truth. All leadership is social. Let me say that again. All leadership is social. Your ability to connect in meaningful ways with real humans determines your ability to lead. Leadership happens in the space between you and other people. And how you fill that space will determine how you fill your leadership potential. You see, great leaders fill that space between them and the people they lead with curiosity. They try to understand the world through the eyes and the perspectives of the people they lead. Great leaders fill the space between them and the people they lead with generosity. They place the needs of the team at the center of their work. Great leaders fill the space between them and the people they lead with authenticity. They try as hard as they possibly can to show up as a real human alongside their followers, not a dictator or a taskmaster or a manager, but as a real person with real hopes and fears and dreams and emotions. Great leaders fill the space between them and the people they lead with vulnerability. That's right, great leaders are vulnerable. They open up. They show uncertainty and insecurity. Do you want to know a secret? It's not a secret. Listen, people follow people they know, people they trust, people they believe. People don't care what you think, what you desire, what you believe until they know you care about them. So leadership is a social endeavor, right? Leadership only happens between and among humans, and humans are social animals, right? We're driven by our innate desire to make connections with other humans. So then it stands to reason that all leadership is social. Nailed it.